Scott from Renegade. It's almost delivery day. I gotta tell you about this 928. You've seen some of the other videos, so please understand I'm not gonna go through all the minutia on the car. But man, this turned out great. Supercharged. We're talking almost 600 horsepower LSA engine. We're talking a beautiful paint, gorgeous interior. The conversion was absolutely flawless. We did a couple extra things. We did the Corvette rear end transaxle torque tube style setup. Is it needed? I don't think so, but it's cool. I'm telling you, this car turned out absolutely incredible. I gotta show you how this goes. It's less about, the conversion and stuff like that, and it's more about the performance, because the 928, they're heavy. They don't turn. They don't like to do anything very well. You put in a lighter, more powerful, more confident engine, and they do everything incredible. Let me show you. All right, so we're taking this to the detail shop. And of course, if we're gonna go to the detail shop, we gotta get there in a hurry, because we don't wanna miss the detailer when he goes on break, right? Well, we're gonna do it in style. Here we go. Nice and mellow, sounds good, but let me give you a little bit better exhaust note. How about even a better exhaust note? This is addicting. This is freaking it. Right here, mainline it, right here. Holy crap. Hey, we're Renegade hybrids. We have a lot of fun. We love what we do. Quite frankly, this is why we've been in business for over 40 years. Today, the smile and how many satisfied customers we have. On behalf of Travis, who happens to be behind the camera, and myself, we'd like to say, knock it out of the park!